Okay, so let's go ahead and test our endpoints to ensure that our middleware is actually performing correctly. So let's just call health check. We know that this is not protected, so it should work. All right, great. Let's call um, schools, okay, to see what would happen. All right, so it's telling me unauthorized access, which makes sense. But what would happen if I became a user? So let's say that I have a user, Benny. We have Benny, right? So let's say, okay, so Benny, I have a token for Benny. Okay, so this is our authentication token. But Benny has not been activated as yet. Okay, so Benny has not been activated. So what I want to do is to use that token. Okay, all right, but we want to access not health check, but actually schools. So we're going to say schools /1. Now, this token is from a user who has registered, but they have not yet activated. Okay, so it tells me your user account must be activated to access this resource, which makes sense. Now let's use Bunny, because if you recall, Bunny was actually a user who was activated. So Bunny has a token. Is this token still valid? Yep, I think it's for 3 days. So let's see. Okay, so I'm going to use this token for Bunny and see if we get back our endpoint. Okay, so it seems my token is invalid, but that's no problem. I could always create a new token for Bunny. So Bunny. Okay, and let's just create a new token for Bunny. Okay, and here we go. All right, and let's copy that, and let's use that token in our call. Okay, so I am assuming that there's a schools 1. Okay, all right, so it could not be found. And so obviously, let's just quickly check. So PSQL $Apple. Okay, and let's just select all, select name, or select ID from schools. Okay, and let's see. Oh, I don't have any rows. Okay, I guess that makes sense. So I did not put any data in my schools table, so that makes sense. All right, so our handler or middleware works because there are no rows in our schools table, and so it says that the requested resource could not be found, meaning that we actually could access the resource. Okay, so our middleware works. If it's an anonymous user, we get back a response. If it's an authenticated but not activated user, we get back another response. And so everything is working. Now, what I want to do in the next lesson is to actually refactor our middleware so that we could separately ask for or check for authenticated users and activated users. Okay, so instead of having to do both checks in one middleware, we can have them separated out. We will look at how that is done in the next video.